Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I didn't think I'd be making a skincare video so soon into the new year. Today is January 14th, so I am currently washing my face using this Timeless Vitamin C and then sunscreen. It's not doing a lot for this hyperpigmentation over here that I want to try to get rid of or try to look a little bit less noticeable. So I'm going to try this Good Molecule Discoloration Serum. I previously started with azelaic acid. I think I used that for like a year and didn't see a noticeable difference. Tried the vitamin C for the last few months, didn't notice a huge difference. Gonna try this tranexamic acid. I don't wanna use too many actives, so in the morning I just like to wash my face, use one of these, put sunscreen, and I'm good to go. Let's go try this out. It's been a couple of weeks. Today is January 30th. I don't know if there's a huge difference on this side, but I think over here I'm seeing some improvement. This is how I put them on. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. I've been playing around with putting it on in the morning or at night. I think it's better at night according to Google AI. I also don't use it with retinol at night anymore because when I was using both of them, I would get some breakouts over here because I think it's too much actives at the same time. So I tend to break them up. So I'll do vitamin C in the morning and then textramic acid at night. Or if I do the retinol at night, I will use the textramic acid in the morning and then skip the vitamin C. Kind of, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm playing around with the different times of using this, but I really want to try to use this every day. I use 2 drops on each side. So 1 drop here goes over here. And then 1 drop here goes over here. And then I'll put moisture on after this. Still currently really enjoying both of these, the Centella Soothing Cream and the Torridin Dive-In with hyaluronic acid. I'm not sure which one I like better. I think I like the Centella better because I got it for a better price. And then once this dries, I might go a little bit over the mouth and nose. But mostly I want to try to get the hyperpigmentation off of the cheek area. See you guys in 2 weeks. It's been a couple more weeks. Today is February 18th. Here's a quick face check. I think there is some improvement on both sides, but I am very excited to compare the before and after photos when we are all done. I did find the original box. I don't know how many people care about the packaging. The instructions are pretty simple. Shake well, apply a few drops. Here's the active ingredients. This is the textramic, and it also has niacinamide, which is supposed to help with discoloration. My strategy hasn't changed too much, so I alternate between textramic in the morning, retinol at night is what I'm doing today. And then tomorrow I will do vitamin C in the morning, textramic at night, take a break from the retinol, and then the following day back to textramic acid in the morning and then retinol at night. And then I just keep alternating that every other day. That is the current plan. See you guys in a few weeks. It's been about a month and a half. Today is April 4th. Heli skiing was really awesome a few weeks ago. I took this with me to Canada. I ran out of the vitamin C, so pretty much I use this in the morning and then sunscreen. At night, I will use this and moisturizer. 2 to 3 times a week, I will do retinol at night instead of this, but pretty much every day I will use this once or twice. I think we're almost out. So hopefully in a month or 2, I will do the conclusion video to see if there's a big difference in any of this discoloration. See you guys in a bit. We are all done with this. I even put a little bit of toner in here to make sure I got the last drops. I started this in January. Today is May 6th, so about 4 months to use one bottle for me. I think I was averaging maybe 2 to 3 drops a day. I'm gonna go edit this video now and take photos. So I'll leave it up to you guys to compare the photos and see if there's a huge noticeable difference. I thought there was, but I'm not sure if it's the actual Good Molecule Discoloration Serum or it's just I've been doing skincare for the past few years and my skin is just getting a little healthier as we go on. Excited to see where all of this goes. Video 363 done.